We will be seeing further increases in the months ahead in the Fed funds rate because of inflation. Downward revisions, 110,000 jobs revised away over the last few months. Commoditization is great for companies who harness the AI that is being commoditized to increase their productivity, increase their efficiency, and lower their unit labor cost.
Hello and welcome to Crypto Street, where we bring you the latest and most intriguing stories from the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we'll be unraveling the secrets of Bitcoin's future. But before we jump into that, let's take a look at some recent developments in the cryptocurrency market. 1. Amid increased legal scrutiny in the United States, another executive at Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ, refuted allegations of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, surrounding the executive exits and announced replacements for the vacant positions. 2. Bitfinex, a cryptocurrency exchange, has received a payout from the 2016 hack in which funds were stolen. Through collaboration with U.S. law enforcement agencies, Bitfinex has successfully recovered a portion of the lost funds. 3. George Bachiashvili, the former head of the investment fund in the Republic of Georgia, is facing accusations of money laundering and misappropriating $39 million worth of Bitcoin in 2015. 4. Canada's regulatory authorities have expressed trust in regulated crypto investment funds, providing clarity on crypto exchange-traded funds, ETFs, rules regarding asset liquidity, and expectations for crypto asset custody. 5. Multichain, a cross-chain platform, has experienced a significant outflow of $126 million in assets, leading to an immediate halt in services and the issuance of an advisory warning to users. 6. The Central Bank of Russia has announced plans to potentially launch a digital ruble as early as 2025. 7. Solana SOL, a cryptocurrency, surged to a 2-month high on Saturday, extending its recent bullish run. 8. The New York Federal Reserve and U.S. banks have successfully completed a test of a programmable dollar central bank digital currency, CBDC. 9. Reports claim that pop icon Taylor Swift did sign an agreement with FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange, but FTX executives convinced former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, to reconsider and abandon the $100 million deal with Swift. 10. The Association for Financial Markets in Europe, AFME, has proposed a risk-based approach and the creation of a classification system for decentralized finance, DeFi activities, and digital assets. 11. Barnbridge, a decentralized finance DeFi protocol known for tokenizing risk exposure, has revealed that it is under investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, resulting in a halt of all operational activities.
Now, employment, we had so many indicators in the last week or so that there was something for everyone, bulls and bears. So today we got the non-farm payroll. It was below expectations at 209,000. Expectations were 230. But the important point was downward revisions, 110,000 jobs revised away over the last few months. So that made this quite a weak report from an employment point of view. But if you looked at average hourly earnings, they were a little better than expected. The Fed may not have liked that. And average work week was a little better than expected. So those probably all netted out to something a little weaker, not a lot weaker than expected. Our confidence that we're moving into a deflationary environment is increasing by the month, especially because the Fed is railing against inflation when it is already coming down quite significantly. You know, it's interesting to listen to reports like Costco's and Home Depot's. Costco's basically saying, okay, we're going to have to clear inventory by cutting prices. They just come right out and say it, but the Fed's not incorporating those sorts of variables into its analysis. The conclusion most economists would draw is that the economy is going into a recession. Well, now we're 14 months into it, and we do believe we'll see a recession, a little bit of a harder landing, as I've mentioned on many of these. M2 down 5% on a year-over-year basis. Haven't seen that since the 1930s. And we do think velocity is starting to slow down. The velocity of money, the rate at which money turns over, because of the regional bank crisis and the concerns, wait, what's going on here? And because money is shifting from bank accounts into money market funds, and the velocity associated with those is much, much slower.
Over the weekend, Bitcoin BTC experienced a consolidation phase around the $30,000 level, with its price fluctuating following the release of the U.S. non-farm payrolls report. The BTC USD pair dropped to an intraday low of $30,094.87, just a day after reaching a one-year high above $31,000. However, the price has slightly rebounded since then and is currently trading at $30,240.85. The recent drop in price can be attributed to a failed breakout of the 58.00 level on the Relative Strength Index (RSI), which served as a catalyst for the downward movement. Currently, the price strength is tracking at the 57.63 level, indicating a moderate level of support. Traders will be closely monitoring the support point at 55.00 as a potential target for further downward movement. If the price reaches this level, there is a high likelihood that BTC will drop below the $30,000 mark. Ethereum, ETH, also experienced a consolidation phase, and its price once again dropped below the $1,900 level. After reaching a peak at $1,957 on Thursday, the ETH-USD pair struggled to trade above $1,900, and today's drop pushed the price to a low of $1,854.92. Since June 3rd, when Ethereum reached a two-month high, it has faced consecutive sessions of declining prices. However, despite these declines, the price strength indicator has found support at a floor level of 47.00, which has helped stabilize the situation and prevent further losses. Currently, the price strength indicator is tracking at a reading of 49.59, indicating a relatively stable position. The next challenge for traders will be to overcome the upcoming resistance level at 51.00. If they succeed in surpassing this level, it is likely that the price of Ethereum will move back above $1,900.
We think there's going to be a lot of commoditization coming out of AI. As you listened to Frank Downing and Will Summerlin on our last In the Know, foundation models could be commoditized. And commoditization is great for companies who harness the AI that is being commoditized to increase their productivity, increase their efficiency, and lower their unit labor costs. So that's great. That could be a boon to the entire economy. But the companies who will really benefit disproportionately are going to be those with visionary leaders, broad-based distribution, and after those two, most importantly, proprietary data that no one else has.
That wraps up today's crypto news highlights. Stay tuned for more updates, insights, and analysis from the world of cryptocurrencies. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content.